Welcome to new video. On this video we will show how to measure sample on XRF by OXSAS program and then take the result on Excel sheet. To measure sample, go to Analysis Data, then press on New Sample. And from the method, choose the method you want to measure it. Then add the number of run requested. And add the sample position. Now press on SID OK. After the sample was measured, go to View Result. And select the samples that you need to take in Excel sheet. From the upper bar, press on Export Analysis. Select Excel. Select the location where you want to save it. And from Elemental Format, choose from Method. Then press OK. Thank you for watching.